What's going on, guys? So today's going to be a different video starting off October with the bang. This is going to be a much different and added experience to our cinematography for the channel. So, got this big box right here. We're going to go ahead and slice it open. Drone Era. Sorry, Asian X came out. We got ourselves a Drone Era right over here. So it says Wi-Fi headless mode. Well, that's kind of awkward. Imagine getting somebody headless with a drone. I mean, I think that's possible. Auto take return, GPS, fly around, follow me, and a tap fly. So that's pretty cool. Let's go ahead and cut this box open. And it's a box in a box. Who gave me a Russian doll, guys? Come on now. Alright, let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Guess it's opened up like this. Bam! Packaging. So that's cool. Packaged up. Put that guy down real quick. Here we go. This is the best part. The creme la creme little tiny drone. It's got a nice baby camera right over here. Looks like there's a little film on there or something. It's a little scratched up looking, but I did get the... It's really lightweight, guys. Definitely. So, I'm not really good at unboxing videos, guys. It does come with a little controller, so that's pretty cool. I think right here is where you can actually attach, or these are the antennas. So those are the antennas. This is the drone itself. I'm not too sure how you put this together, but I'm gonna catch you guys when it's all put up and running up. Alright, so testing out this drone. We are outside. Super dark out. Camera quality is okay. Still trying everything out. Testing out mic, testing out everything, making sure it's okay, kinda. Alright, testing this video out. Let's go. See how this works. Is it recording? Mm-hmm. Uh-oh. No, I gotta get away from the fence. Or snap my wings. Is it recording? Yeah. Yo, I'm so far up in the air though. Turn this bad boy around. Maybe we should go by the skate park, see if I can fly over the skate park. Bro, that looks so cool, look at that. Oh, look at that, it's the whole park. It's Rosa Park. Alright, so you've seen some clips really quick. I give this product maybe a good 8 out of 10, 7 out of 10. It's okay quality. It's not too bad. You see, I think it's always a good thing starting off with cheaper items, the more expensive ones, and getting used to the controls too, especially if it's something that you're not familiar to. Then yeah, of course. It's funny, they did a whole entire burnout right here. Oh yeah, it's always good. It's always good to start off with something that is cheap, especially if you're not experienced in that area. You start off cheap and you work your way up. This was just an experiment, see how I can be adjusted to everything. And the batteries aren't even the right batteries for the controller. This battery itself was maybe only charged for like 10-15 minutes. Something else I've experienced when buying this is that one of the propellers actually came broken. They did supply like 8 extra propellers, so I put that together. And then the battery on this one, the charging port is actually really loose. So upon charging, that's kind of sad to see that. I do believe it's only like 170 bucks. It's not too bad. Yeah, I could have went with something maybe much better quality. Just a controller. This little guy though is super cool. It flies amazing. You know, obviously I got to get used to it and the controllers and everything, but it does have that cool little suitcase, so you know it packs up pretty tight, and it's not too hard to fold in these wings, honestly, to just open it up and you know keep it in your pocket or back pocket or something. You know, it's not too big, size of my palm, see there. So I recommend a drone like this if you guys want. I will be linking the link of this product in the description. If you guys want to get one, experiment with it. Experiment at your own risks. Don't do it in your house because let's just say I already went through one of the blades, so 2 blades down. Maybe got like 6 more to go, but I'm here at the park You guys seen the footage earlier, up in the sky. Definitely is going to take a lot of work over time to get this thing to where I want it, but maybe we'll experiment with some car meets coming up. So to kind of further more explain this controller, it's a kind of like fake carbon fiber looking style fascia. 2 little remotes. So this one's the one that makes it go left, right, fly forward and backward. This one's the one that brings it up and down. Then these buttons are kind of confusing, but it's kind of like your PlayStation or Game Boy or whatever. You have your speed. Now this is very crucial, how fast you want to fly. Right next to it is how you take pictures, and this is how you change the angles of the camera on the drone itself, so it goes up or down, in or out. So actually, from experience of RC cars, for my own safety, I'm actually going to unplug this battery real quick. Comes right out the back. This is the one that I replaced, and I can show you guys how easy it is to push that in with my finger. So it's kind of disappointing to see it like that. You know, what is this? ScharkSpark. I don't even know what kind of language that is, but it's the brand of this device. I'm super excited to try it out in the morning time where I can actually see my footage. Something else that is of an issue is, of course, having it where I'm able to actually watch my screen and having to make sure that the drone is flying okay. I think that's something that I'll get used to over time. It's making sure, obviously, that the drone is in the air and it's not going to be into an accident or any of sorts. And definitely an open airspace is recommended. So this is the one that came from already with broken. So that one's already broken, and they did provide 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There is 2 different sides to this. So you have an A1 and a B1, and this is the little wing that I broke in the house. But you know what? It's fine. It is what it is. That's why I bought a cheap one to learn, and maybe in the future I'll get a much more better one. But that's for later on work, of course. Changing up the game for the October month. Definitely I'll be hitting up maybe some ratchet car meets at nighttime. I always call them ratchet because they only last like 30 minutes and then the cops are there. So, you know, driving in a stock car, I can stay as long as I want. So definitely maybe do that. I don't know, guys. Comment down below, what are your thoughts about this drone? What kind of drones do you guys own one, if you own a drone? I know this isn't into the car genre that I usually do reviews on, but this does fall underneath my hobby, career, whatever you want to call this YouTube channel, for you guys to learn and me to learn. So GPS 4-axis aerial drone. Got the manuals right over there. Pretty cool. You know, not too bad. If you guys are beginners like me, definitely recommend getting your hands on these. Like I said, I will link it in the bio down below. And as always, guys, stay safe, stay chill.